Next, in last class we complete the in operator. In this class we have to learn about the string comparison and next list, list list. Here means here the topic is string comparison ma. Here in this Python it allows to compare strings by using relational comparison. We already know about these operators in relational operators. These are all called the relational operators ma. How to compare the two strings, we use the relational operators such as here greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to. These are all called the relational operators. In this Python programming language, it allows to compare the strings, compare the two strings by using these relational operators. First operator is greater than. First operator is greater than symbol here. What is the definition of this greater than symbol means? If the first string is greater than the second, first string is greater than the second, on the time it returns the true, means this condition is true, the condition is correct, it returns the true. For example, here we take ABC, small abc greater than capital ABC, small abc greater than capital ABC. If the output is true, Why, how it is true means if according to ASCII values here ABC, small a, we have ASCII value, small a value, how much? 95 like that. Okay, now here capital A, so ASCII value is 60 like that. That's why here ABC is greater than capital A BC. That's why the output is true. Next, here we take in this operator, here this is the operator, this is the description, this is the example for this operators. Here first equal to, if two strings are equal it returns true, if two strings are equal it returns true. Here I gave here a b, capital A small b small c equal to same, I gave small here, same here, capital A small b small c. These two strings are equal, that's why it returns true, Next, here not equal or less than, greater than, these two operators are same. Here if two strings are not equal, it returns true, Here capital A capital B small c equal to capital A small b small c. Here it is not equal, the symbols here not equal that's why it returns true here, Here not equal or less than, greater than symbol, these are two operators are same. This is also called as the not equal, if two strings are not equal it returns true. Next, greater than symbol, next is the greater than symbol. If the first string is greater than the second, if the first string is greater than the second, it returns true, For example, you take here ABC greater than capital A small b small c. Here for that this condition is true, it is greater than ABC, that's why condition is true. Next, less than, if the second string is greater than the first, on that time it returns true, here. Here small a small b capital C, here greater than small a small b small c here, ABC, that's why this second string is greater than the first, that's why it returns true here. Next, greater than equal to, means here if the first string if the first string is greater than or equal to the second. If the first string is greater than or equal to the second, it returns true. Here small a, capital B, capital C greater than or equal to capital A, capital B is capital C. Here first string, it is greater than or equal to a second string. That's why here it returns true. For example, suppose here small a, here small capital A, here capital A, small b, small c. On that time, it is greater than or equal to capital A, capital B, capital C. On the time, it returns false. It returns false. Here less than or equal to. Here less than or equal to means if the second string is greater than or equal to the first string. First equal to the first. On that time, it returns true. It returns true. Here capital A, capital B, small c less than or equal to capital A, small b, small c. The condition is true. This condition is true. Getting the true. Next, these are the string comparison operators. In Python, we have to compare two strings. In that time, it is used by the relational operators. Already we know about these relational operators. Equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, next not equal to. Next, next one is the next topic is data structure. Means before we are list, next topic is actually list. Before we are going to list, we have to know about the data structures. What is meant by the data structure? Here a data structure is a group of data elements that are put together under one name. Here what is the definition of the data structure? Means a data structure, it is a group of data elements that are put together under one name. Here it defines a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Here it defines a particular way of storing and organizing data in a computer so that it can be used efficiently. Next, what is meant by sequence? Here, what is meant by the sequence here? It is the most basic data structure in Python. In Python programming language, it is the most basic data structure. Here, in the sequence data structure, each element has a specific index. Here, each element has a specific index. Here, this index value starts from 0. This index value starts from 0 and it is automatically incremented for the next element. It is next element in the sequence. Here this index value starts from 0 and is automatically incremented for the next element in the sequence. Here in Python programming language, sequence is the generic term for an ordered set. Here in Python programming language, sequence is the generic term for an ordered set. Here example, in this data structures we are having some of the topics. To the topics here, list, tuple, etc. List, tuple, etc. First we have to know about the list. Please know about the list. Here what is meant by list here? What is meant by list here? Here list is a versatile data type available in Python. List is a versatile data type available in Python. Here what is meant by list definition is, it is a sequence in which elements are written as a list of comma operated values. Between square brackets. Means in that square brackets you have to write the elements with comma operator. Now it is a sequence in which elements are written as a list of comma separated values between square brackets. Here in the list some of the values are there. That values are called as elements. In the list we are having some of the values. That values are called as elements. Next, here in this list, how we create a list? Here, to create list by writing different comma separated values between square brackets. To create list by writing different comma separated values between square brackets. Here, what is the syntax of defining a list? Here, what is the syntax of defining a list? List variable equal to value 1 comma value 2 comma so on. List variable equal to value 1 comma value 2 comma so on. This is the syntax of defining a list. Defining a list, this is the syntax. Next, what is the example? What is the example of the list? Here I gave list variable name. Here list underscore. No need to write underscore here. List variable. Here list A equal to. I gave the list here 1, 2, 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Here these are the values in the list. These values are in the list. It is called as the elements. Are called as the elements. Here these elements are in the square, between the square brackets. Square in the square brackets. How to, by using the comma separated. Here next you have to print the list A. In this list A 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Here list is a versatile data type. It is available in Python. Here it is a sequence in which elements are written as a list of comma separated values between the square brackets. Next, the values in a list are called elements. The values in a list are called elements here. This is the how to create a list like this. Next, this is another example. Here list B equal to A comma B comma C comma D comma E. List B. You have to print the list B. Print this list B. Here what are the elements in the list? That values only be printed here. A B C D E. Next, this is the next example. Next, third example is list C. Good morning. I gave good morning. Print list C. In that list C, output is good morning. Means list C stored in this. These are the strings. Good morning. Next point is here a list within another list. A list within another list, that is called here nested. A list within another list is called nested here. Nested list. A list that contains no elements. In that list there are no elements. That list is called as the empty list. That list is called as the empty list. Here we can create one with empty brackets. First, these are the empty brackets. This is the list. In this list we have to assign the list values to that variables. How we access the values means like this. We can assign the list values to the variables. Here for example, I take here cheeses equal to some of the list. These are the list. In this cheeses, cheddar, Edam, Gouda. Here, okay now. Here numbers. Next, another list values numbers. In these numbers we have 17 comma 123. Next is empty. That empty we are not having values in the brackets. This is the empty list. Okay, here next you have to print cheeses, numbers and empty. This is the output. Cheddar, Edam, Gouda means in these cheeses we are having these elements in the list. Next 17 comma 123. These are the number list. Next empty means here there are no elements in the list, that is called the here, and that is called empty list. That is called here empty list. This is the number list. This is the next we give the variables to that list. CSS list, numbers list, next empty list. Next next topic is the lists are mutable. Lists are mutable. Here list is mutable, which means that values of that elements can be changed. Here immutable, what is it by immutable means they can't change, they cannot be changed here. But mutable means list is mutable, means that value of its elements can be changed. Values of its elements can be changed. That is called the here lists are mutable. Lists are mutable. Here to access values in a list, square brackets are used to slice. You have to remember this point, ma. To access values in a list, we have to access values in a list. On the time we are using the square brackets are used to slice. Square brackets are used to slice. Already we know about slice operation. Along with the index or indices to get value. Here to access values in a list, square brackets are used to slice along with the index or indices to get value. Indices to get value. Here next point is the expression. The expression inside the bracket specifies the index. Here the expression inside the brackets. Inside the brackets we are having some of the expression here. It specifies the index. It specifies the index. Here remember that the indices start at 0. Remember that, for example, indices start at 0, stored at that index is 0. Stored at that index is 0. For example, here print chases of 0. Print chases of 0. In this chases of 0, we are having cheddar. We are having, already we create this list. Here this variable, in this variable already we create this list of values in the chases. Numbers, in the number list already we create the 17, 123. These are the we have to create the list here. Here by using this list we access the values here. Here example print chases of 0. In this chases of 0, output is cheddar. Output is cheddar. Means here, now remember that the indices start at 0. Remember that indices start at 0. Means here along with the indices, to access the values in a list, square brackets are used to slice along with the index or indices to get value. That's why here the indices start at 0, means stored at that index. Stored at that index here. For example, here we take print the second item of the list. Print the next example is print the second item of the list. In that list you have to print the second element. What that is the meaning here? In the list you have to print the second element. First element means we take 0 index. You have to print the second element. That is the question. Here first you have to create here already we create some list. You have to use that list also. That list or you have to create new list. You have to create new list. After that you have to print the second element in that list. Here in this example I take here some new list here. This list. In this list I give some elements here: apple, banana, cherry, like that. Fruit list here: apple, banana, cherry. This is the list variable. I gave the list variable name like this. This list. Here print this list of 1. Print this list of 1 means here 0. This list of 0 is apple. This list of 1 is banana. This list of 1 is banana. Means the output is banana. The output is banana. How the here Likewise, to access the values in the list by along these are used in slice operation. These are used in slice operation. Next, here another point is here negative indexing. Another point is here negative indexing. Negative indexing means here beginning from the end, minus 1 means like here minus 1 refers to the last item, minus 2 refers to the second last item, minus 3 refers to the third last item, like that. Here negative indexing, this means beginning from the end, minus 1 refers to the last item, minus 2 refers to the second last item. Here this is the example. Print here what is the example means you have to print the last item of the list. Print the last item of the list. This is the question. How we create here? We create the list here. This list equal to apple, banana, cherry. Means how to print this list of minus 1. Print this list of minus 1. Minus 1 we got cherry. Minus 2 we got banana. Here minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2. Here minus 3 we got apple. Likewise that print, that is the output for that. Here how to print the last item of the list by using the negative indexing. Negative indexing is minus 1, minus 2, like that. Minus 2 refers to the last item in the list, last element in the list. Minus 2 refers to the second element in the list, like that. This it represents the minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that is called here negative indexing. Next, next point here, range of indexes. Here we can specify a range of indexes by specify where to start and where to end the range. Here we can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range here. Here when specifying a range here, the return value will be the new list. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items. Here when specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with the specified items here. Here for example, we take how to return the third, fourth and fifth element. Here in this list we have apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango, watermelon, mango. Here this list. Here for example, how to return the, this is the question, how to return the how to print or return the third element, fourth element and fifth element. Third, fourth, fifth. Next, for that, by using the range of indices, means where to start and where to end the range. Here for example, here we take this list. In this list we have apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, melon, mango. This is the list. Here how to print the third, fourth, fifth element. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, like that. Here third, 1, 2, 3, third, 4, fifth elements. How to print like that. The index is 0. Index of 0 start. Index of 0 apple. This list of 0 equal to apple. This list of 1 equal to banana. This list of 2 equal to cherry. This list of 3 equal to orange. This list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 means kiwi. This list of 5 is melon. This list of 6 equal to mango. Likewise, it will be stored in the indexes. Here by using these we have to print this by using the slice operation. print this list of 2 colon 5. Already we know about these slices. This slice operator is called colon. Slice operator is represented by colon. Here you have to print this list of 2 is to 5. 2 colon 5. 2 colon 5. Here is the output here. Cherry, orange, kiwi. Means here we take 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. Here 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means here I gave 2 to 5. Here we give the starting 2, ending 5. But it will be printed 5 minus 1 means 4. Up to 4 only it will be printed. That's why here I gave 2 colon 5. 0, 1, 2 means third element cherry. Next fourth element orange. Next fifth element kiwi. Likewise we are using the range of indices like that. Next updating the values in a list. How we update the values in a list? Here once created, one or more elements of a list can be easily updated. Here in the list we are using, it is mutable. Mutable means in the list you have to add the elements, you have to delete the elements, you have to update the elements, have to create the elements, you have to delete the elements. Likewise means these are operations come under the list. Here updating values in a list. Here once created one or more elements of a list. But in this list can be easily updated by using the slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. Here once created one or more elements of a list, it can be easily updated by giving the slice on the left hand side of the assignment operator. Here we can use the append method. To add new values in the list. We use append method to add new values in the list here. Means in the already we create the list. On that list we have to add the new values in that list. On that time we use the append method. Which method? Append method. For example, here this is the example program. How we updating values in the list. For example, we create the list. First we create the list. In this I take here number list. This is the list variable name. List variable name means number list. List. In this number list we are having some of the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means these are the values in the number list. Here next you have to print this number list. Print number list. What is the output for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And these are the values printed for this statement. Next. The next statement is number list of 5 equal to 100. Number list of 5 equal to 100 means here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we have to update the values in the list. Have to update the values in the list. Means the output is for that 100. The output is here. Here list after updation here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next you got the value, you have to update the value. Number list of 5 means in the 5 place you have got the value 100. Update the value 100. Next print this statement. The output is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 7, 8, 9. Next number list dot append method. Append method means you have to add the new values in the list. That is called the append method. Append method means you have to add. This method is used to add new values in the list. Here method already in this list, first we create the list like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After that you have to update the values in the list. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 100, 7, 8, 9. After that have to append the values in the list, means have to append the, have to add the new values in the list. I gave here number list dot append of 200, append of 200. Here in this statement list after appending the value is here like this: 1 2 3 4 5 100 7 8 9 200. We have to add the this value 200 value by using the append method. Append method. Next, next here these are the next topic is the, these are the list operations ma. List operations. First operation description example output here. First operation is len, len, length. Already we know about this len. Returns the length of the list, returns the length of the list. In this list this is the example 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here how much values? 6 values in the list. Now what is the length of that list? 6. Next, concatenation. Concatenation means you have to add the two list. You have to add the two list. 1 2 3 4 plus 5 6 7 8 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have to combine these two lists by using the concatenation operation. Next, maximum. In this returns maximum value in the list. Here in this number list we have values 4 5 4 5 4 5 6 3 2. This is the number list. We create this list ma. How to print the max of number list. Max of number list. How to print the max of number list means maximum value. Returns the maximum value in the list. Which is the maximum value here? 6. The output is 6. Likewise min also. Likewise min returns the minimum value in the list. Number list equal to 4 5 6 comma 3 comma 2. You have to print the minimum value in that number list 2. The output is 2. In this number list 4 5 6 3 comma 2, you have to print the minimum number list. The minimum value is 2. That is the output for that. Next, another point here, the plus operator concatenates list, means you have to add, we have to join two list here. A equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3, this is the list. B equal to 4 comma 5 comma 6. Here this operator concatenates list here. Print C. Here C equal to A plus B. So you have to combine these two lists like that. Here 1 2 3, next 4 5 6. This is the output for this operator. Next, asterisk operator. Asterisk operator means have to repeat a list in a given number of times. Have to repeat a list a given number of times. For example, here 0 star 4, 0 star 4. In this 4 have to repeat the values 4 zeros. You have to know about these 4 zeros. Here next example is 1 comma 2 comma 3 star 3. 3 times repeated. 3 times repeat a list. 3 times we repeat a list. Like this we have to these operations come under the list operations. Plus concatenate operator. Next, asterisk operator, it repeats a list a given number of times. Next, next topic is the list slices. List slices. Already we know about the list slices. The slice operator also works on a list. The slice operator also works on a list. Here for example I take here T equal to A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F. A B C D E F. Next T of 1 is to 3. 1 colon 3 means this is the starting, this is the ending. Means here we got the output is B comma C. We got the output is B comma C. Means 1 0 1 B. Next 2 means we take the 3 value is the end, we take the end, n minus 1, end minus 1. Slice operation have to starting from ending. Next b comma c, this is output for the above statement. Next t of colon 4, t of colon 4, already we know about this slice operation. Here colon 4 means from starting to up to 4, starting to up to 4, and that's why a b c d. Next 3, next t of 3 colon, next t of 3 colon, means here you have to 3 up from 3, have to print the that list d e f 0 1 2, you have to print this after 3. Next, likewise the list slices will be done. Next here, next point here, if you omit the first index, the slice starts at the beginning. If you omit the first index, the slice starts at the beginning. If you omit the second, the slice goes to the end. If you omit the second, the slice goes to the end. So if you omit both, the slice is copy of the whole list. The slice is copy of the whole list. Means like this is the example ma. If we omit the first index, next we omit the second index, means the output is here like this. A b is whole. The slice is copied the whole list. Here in this example I didn't give any first index, any second index, and that's why the output is a b c d e f. That is the I have to means both of the omit first index and second index omitted on the time. The slice is copy of the whole list. Slice of the copy of the whole list. Next, next point is, since here lists are mutable, it is useful to make a copy before performing operations. Performing that operations, that fold spindle ORR multi-lac list, multi-late list, that is called here. It is very useful to make a copy before performing operations, before performing operations on that time, and that operations, that fold comma spindle ORR multi-late list here, multi-late list. Next point is the a slice operator on the left side of the assignment. Left side of the assignment can update multiple elements. The slice operator on the second left side of the assignment can update multiple elements. Here for example we take t equal to a b c d e f. T equal to a b c d e f. Here t of 1 is to 3. T of 1 is to 3. 1 is to 3 means we have 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1 from 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here t of 1 is to 3 equal to x comma y. Here t of 1 is to 3 equal to x comma y. X comma y means here this is the have to update the multiple elements. You have to update the multiple elements here. This is the slice operator on the left side of an assignment. On the time you have to update the multiple elements. Here t of 1 colon 3 equal to x comma y means you have to update the t here. Here the output is a one element. In that one element we have x. Next two element we have c. In that c we have to replace y, means a x y d e f. A x y d e f means the slice operator on the left side of an assignment have to update the multiple elements also. How to update the multiple elements. Likewise have to update the multiple elements in the slice operation. Next topic is the list methods. Here Python provides methods that operate on list. Here Python language provides methods that operates on list. Here for example you take append method. append method. Already we know about the append method. What is the use of the append method? We add a new elements to the end of the list. You have to add a new elements to the end of a list. Here for example, you take A, B, C. T dot append means the D element add in this list last end. A, B, C, D. That is the use of the append method, first method. Next means these methods, what for we are using these methods means you have to operate on list. On that time we are using these methods. Next is the extend. How to extend takes a list of argument. Extend method, it takes a list of argument and appends all of the elements. Here for example, you take T1 equal to A comma B comma C, T2 equal to D comma E means you have to extend these two list. Here T1 dot extend of T2 means print T1. In this print T1 we have A, B, C, but here have to extend the T2 also, means have to add the element D comma E. This is the method. In this extend takes list of arguments and appends all the elements like this. Next method is sort method. Already we know about the sort method. Sort means how to arrange the elements of the list from low to high. Here for example, take here T equal to D, C, E, A, B, A. Here T equal to D, C, E, B, A. Here T dot sort by using this method. T dot sort print T. Here in this output we got here sort means have to arrange the elements from low to high. That's why the output is A, B, C, D, E. How to arrange the elements of the list. That is the method. That is the one of the methods. Sort. First method is append. Next one extend. Next one sort. Next one reverse. What is the use of the reverse method is how to reverse the elements in the list. Means syntax. List dot reverse. This is the syntax for that. Next example. Here this is the example. Number list equal to 63701249. This is the we take the number list. Here we take this method number list dot reverse. Here reverse means we got the have to print the number list. Output is like this 94210736. 94210736. These are the elements. Have to give the reverse means here number list equal to 63701249. Number list dot reverse. Print number list. Output is 94210736. 63701249. This is the number list. By using this number list, by using this reverse method here, print of number list. Number list means here by using the reverse method, values are 94210736 means you have to reverse these elements. By using this method, the elements are reversed. Next next method is insert method. Here this insert method object at specified index in the list. Inserts object at specified index in the list. Here what is the syntax of this insert? List dot insert index comma object, obj object. Here you have to insert object at specified index in the list. Specified index in the list. This is the syntax. List dot insert of index comma object. Next comma object. Here this is the example ma. Number list equal to, I take 6 comma 3 comma 7 comma 0, 3 comma 7 comma 6 comma 0. This is the number list here. Have to insert the have to insert 3 comma 100. Have to insert 3 comma 100 here. Number list dot insert here 3 comma 100 means have to insert these index in the object. Here index means this is the index value, this is the object value 100. Here we have to insert 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 means in this place you have to insert the 100 value. How to insert the 100 value means print number list. Output is 6 comma 3 comma 7 comma in 0 place before 0 we have to insert the 100 value comma 0 3 comma 7 comma 6 comma 0. This is the insert method. Inserts object at specified index in the list. Have to insert the value at specified index. What is the syntax means list dot insert index comma object. We give the index value is 3 here. Which value have to insert? That is the object here. 100. That is object here 100. Print number list. Output 637 100 0 3 7 6 0. These are the list method. These are the list methods. Next. These are the list methods. Next